Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 8 to the power of 11 plus 8 to the power of 11 plus 8 to the power of 11 plus 8 to the power of 11. So, for my solution, notice how this problem has the same term added to itself 4 different times. So let me first write this problem down here real quick so I have a little more solving space. So because I have the same term multiplied by itself 4 times, what I can do is I can think of 8 as A and 11 as B. And this is the same, this is adding to itself this is adding to itself 4 times. And all I have to do is factor out this term. So if I factor out this term, I get a to the power of b times 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So I get 4 times a to the power of b. So in this case, a to the power of 11 plus a to the power of 11 plus a to the power of 11 plus a to the power of 11. I can factor out a to the power of 11. So I get a to the power of 11 times 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now I can solve what's in the parentheses. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So I get a to the power of 11 times 4. So now from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite both of these terms so that they have the same base. Because as they are in this form, I can't actually multiply them. What a lot of people do is they just multiply 8 with 4 and they get 32 to the power of 11. And this is wrong. You can't multiply two exponents if they don't have the same base. And these two are two different exponents. So both of these have a common base of 2. 8 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3, and 4 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 2. So what I'm going to do is replace 8 with 2 to the power of 3 and replace 4 with 2 to the power of 2. So now I get 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 11 times 2 to the power of 2. And now from here, what I'm going to do is use a property of exponents that states that if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, so a number to the power of another number to a power of another number, what I can do is actually just multiply these two exponents. And so this is going to equal a to the power of m times n. So in this case, I have 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 11. I can think of a as 2, b as, or sorry, not b, a as 2, m as 3, and n as 11. So now I get 2 to the power of 3 times 11 times 2 squared. And now 3 times 11 is simply equal to 33. So I get 2 to the power of 33 times 2 squared. And now my final step is to multiply these two. And like I said, because these two exponents have the same base, we can multiply them. And I can do this by using the property a to the power of m times a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So in this case, 2 to the power of 33 times 2 to the power of 11, this is going to equal 2 to the power of 33 plus 2, which is equal to 2 to the power of 35. So this is my answer.